morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I have you guys propped up very precariously on a box and I'm afraid you might fall. Okay, so today's Thursday. Today I'm actually doing my hair. I have booked an appointment with Hair by Half and she's gonna hook me up with some crochet braids. I haven't done crochet braids in a while. I actually purchased some hair months and months ago on Amazon that I completely forgot about. I bought it like way before the move, before the sale of the house, all that. It's just been sitting in a box in the closet. Came across it and figured why not. My hair is deep conditioned and moisturized and stretched. I didn't blow dry it. I just put it in these braids overnight to stretch it. Also, excuse the noise, they're doing some construction outside. Yeah, my hair feels super soft, feels good. Yeah, that's good enough, nice and stretched. All right, time for my appointment. I just want to show you guys the hair that I bought. Like I said, I bought this, I feel like it was almost a year ago, maybe like more than a year ago. Anyways, I bought this so long ago. This is the package. It's pretty basic packaging. I got 1B, as you can see. Here it is outside of the packaging. And yeah, it just looks kind of like a spring twist with a little coiled end. So not quite like passion twist, I guess, but I think they might be cute. I believe, if my memory serves me correctly, I got 12-inch or 14-inch. They're short anyways. And I got 6 packs. If it turns out cute, I will link the hair below. I think it was cheap. I gotta check my Amazon history, but yeah, I'll link it below if you guys are interested. Not sponsored, but first, breakfast. Ta-da! My hair is all done. Let me pick you guys up. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. And it's super cute, you guys. I would even go shorter, like with a shorter length, like 10-inch. I think that'd be super cute. So as you guys know, Hair by Half did my hair and she did a zigzag part base. So I don't get those huge, you know, sometimes you do crochet braids or twists, you get those like huge, you know, parts, like huge unrealistic parts. So with the zigzag, it kind of prevents that gaping. So I love it. And the hair itself, super light, super springy, super cute. I can't wait to play with this and like put it up and all this stuff, play with it. We ended up using 5.5 packs. So I still had extra if I need to go back in and fill it or anything like that. I'm just about to do my baby hair real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie that down to set and then I'm gonna go take some pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna let that set for a couple minutes and then take some pictures. So you can definitely follow Hair by Half on Instagram to see some bomb hair pics and hair inspiration. And I will link the hair down below.